How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing very well. So today I'm going to talk about the user exits. So someone who is new to SAP consulting, so there are a lot of questions comes into the mind that what actually user exit is and how we can use how to find the appropriate user exit. For an example, if a customer has raised a requirement and that requirement can be only done by the enhancement and there is no standard solution for that, then this can be an easy way to do an enhancement, because through user exit you do not need to write the whole bunch of code. You can just write new lines, a few pieces of code, I would say, or few lines of code or a piece of code, and just insert into user exit to do that enhancement. So let us know what actually user exits are. So user exits are predefined points, I would say enhancement points in SAP standard applications, where the custom code that you have written can be inserted or enhanced to modify the standard behavior of the SAP standard program, which is your source code. So user exits provide a flexible way to tailor your SAP standard programs to achieve a specific business needs. So there are four types of user exits, as you can see on my screen. First is the function module user exits. So these exits are associated with a specific function modules that can be customized. They involve implementing custom code within the framework of predefined function modules. So these are the main exits, I would say, the major ones. And then you have the menu exits, where you can trigger custom code or transactions to enhance the menu. So this menu user exit allow for the addition of custom menu items in the SAP standard menu. Then screen exits. These exits permit the addition of custom fields or screens in SAP standard screens. This is useful for extending the user interface to capture additional data. Then the last one is the field exits. These enable the addition of custom logic to validate or modify the data entered in the SAP fields. So now let us see how we can find I would say the appropriate user exit, which is related to the transaction or to the screen where we want to validate or enhance something, whatever it is. So let us start from that. So I'm going to SAP Easy Access. I hope everyone knows how to launch this screen. If you do not know, just put a comment and I will reply back. So execute SE93 transaction code first of all. So for example, I'm putting here IW31, which is a plant maintenance order. So if we need to create a plant maintenance order, we execute IW31. So I will click on display, and there I am having package here. You can see this is my package. So just copy this package and I'm creating another session and execute SE90. You can find the T code on the screen as well. Then you can see here there are a lot of folders. You have to come to this enhancements folder. Just open this one. And then you can see custom exits, which is your user exit only. So now open this one and click on enhancements here. Now you will see here you have exit name, then the short text. If you know the exit name, you can just straight away put here the exit name, or even though you are familiar with the description, just put the description here of that exit name or the package. So as we know the package, let us put the package over here. So to bring all the user exits for that particular IW31 transaction, you need to put the package. This is the best way if you do not know the particular exit name. But if you know the particular exit name, then you can put the exit name direct away here. So put the package over here and then execute it. Okay. So now you can see, let me do this here. So now you can see here, so these are the user exits which will get triggered when someone executes IW31. Okay. So that IW31 is a create maintenance order. So these user exits might be relevant for the IW32. So how you can check that? You can go back to this transaction code again and put here IW32 and click on display. So you can see it is the same package. So all these user exits will be triggered on change and create. So these are the list of the user exits. Okay, so from the description you can see from the description also you will get some kind of idea. Okay, it is for our use or not. Is it the relevant one or not? For the type of enhancement, because you can see here this is the save. So this user exit will only get triggered when you save the order. Okay, and these are all different user exits. For an example, if you wanted to so this is a field user exit type. So if you wanted to enhance certain fields, user fields on the order header, so this might be relevant for you. Okay, so this is how you can find the user exit. And then how to, now the next question is, okay, I have my user exit. For an example here, I have got my save user exit, which will get triggered on the save. When we save the order, it will get triggered. Okay, but how do we check? We got the list. Okay, so SAP is telling, okay, under this package, these are the user exits. Okay, but to make, to make sure, to be 100% sure, how do we check whether it is getting triggered or not? So let us do one thing. So you can see here, you have to use this transaction code as mode and you have to activate it. Okay, so let us execute as mode here. So you can put here the user exit name as well if you know the user exit direct away. If you do not know, then you have to go via this and then find the relevant one by the description, just get an idea. And then you can also, what you can do, you can click here as well and you can read here customer check for save event. It means whenever someone is saving the order, it will get triggered. So, and if you wanted to get inside of the function module code, just double click over here and then you can see this is a piece of code. So this is the include program which is the relevant for us. So under this include, the developer has to write the code. Under this include, developer has to write the code. So now how to check whether this function module is getting triggered or not. So let us do one thing. Let us put a breakpoint over here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to go to the S mode and put the user exit, which is this one. Just copy and paste there. Like this. And go to display and then go back and click on test. Okay, so now it is showing red, which means it is not activated. So you have to activate the user exit, then after that only you can test it whether it is getting triggered or not. So right now you can see this is red, so there is a button as well here, undo and activation, and activate the user exit. So just click on activate. So this is a standard message from SAP and now it is green. Okay, which means now it is activated. So if there is a piece of code, it will trigger. Okay, so now what I will do, I will open another session of IW32. So this is save. So this will get trigger when we save the order. So just going inside the order and I will just save it. Click on save. So you can see my debugger has been triggered. This means that this user exit we can use if we wanted to put any check, any validation during the save event of the maintenance order. So this is how you can find the user exits and also activate and test it. So this video is mainly for the functional consultant, I would say, not for the developers. I'm again going to that T code SE93. So I can put, suppose I need to know for the purchase order, then I need 21M. So this is the create purchase order. So this is my package ME. Okay. So just put the package there and you will get the user exit. I hope this video will be useful for you. So if you do have any questions, just put the comment. And also I will mention my email ID under the video description. There also you can mail me your queries or whatever the video that you like to see in my next videos. I will try to cover those as well. So so I hope this video will help you in finding the user exits and will help in your current projects. So please like and subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you. Bye.